Come on in, we're going to take a look at this two-bedroom on Carmen Street. It's a 4-room, 2-bedroom. That's a fireplace over there and hardwood floors. I'm going to go to the other side of the room and show you what it looks like from this side. And this is the living room. And we're going to go in the kitchen. There's a bedroom there, but let's take a look at this bedroom first. This is the first bedroom. It's big. You could have a king-size bed in here. They're just using it for storage. Here's the bathroom. This is very nice. Full bathroom. Okay, and this bedroom has some new windows. There's a beautiful cat there. This is a king-size bed or queen-size bed, but there's plenty of room for a king-size bed. Double closets there. Big closets. There's another hall closet. There was a closet in the other bedroom. Take a look at the kitchen. The furnace is in here. There's a furnace. It's a new stove, new refrigerator. There's a kitchen. It's got a dishwasher. Very nice. And come on out here. There's coin laundry in the basement. And there's a beautiful back porch. Look at this porch. You get to sit out here. And you can also grill down there. The Metro train's over there, 3 blocks at Lawrence. It's wonderful to live in Andersonville. Isn't this porch beautiful? Have a great day.